Vanakkam. Archaeologist, geologist, and artist Robert Brucefoot is considered to be the father of Indian prehistory, especially father of Tamil prehistory. In this video, we want to present in his own words how he found the Paleolithic site or root Stone Age site near Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. A few words only are needful to explain how my attention came to be specially directed to prehistoric and proto-historic research in addition to the geological work forming my official duty. In the early 60s of last century, everyone interested in the origin of mankind had been greatly stirred by the thorough confirmation by the great English geologist Joseph Priestley, John Evans, and Hugh Falconer of Boucher de Perche's discovery in the drift beds of Somme River Valley of chipped flint implements, the earliest human artifacts then known. The news of this remarkable revelation had turned my thoughts to the necessity of looking out for possible similar traces of early human art in South India, where my work then lay. It was therefore a matter of pure satisfaction rather than great surprise when, on the 30th May 1863, I came across a genuine chipped implement among the material turned out of a small ballast pit dug in the laterite gravel on the parade ground at Pallavaram to the southward of Madras. The correctness of my recognition of the Pallavaram specimen as a genuine Paleolith was fully confirmed by a great find of such artifacts made in company with my friend and colleague Mr. William King Jr. in the valley of the Athirampakkam Nulla, 40 miles northwest of Madras city. This was in September 1863. In January 1864, I had an opportunity of revisiting the Pallavaram ballast pit and found two further paleoliths of typical shapes in the material exposed by enlargement of the pit. Not long after, I made several finds of polished Neolithic implements and then became a confirmed collector of prehistoric remains, thoroughly bitten with a desire to find more of these interesting artifacts, and my love for them had only gone on increasing during the 43 years that have elapsed since I discovered the first Paleolith known in India. The greatest value of the collection is the great light that it throws upon the geographical distribution of the people of the several ages. Of the many sites, 459, whence I collected implements and other artifacts, 42 belong to the Paleolithic age, 252 to the Neolithic, and 17 to the early Iron Age, and of 5 the age could not be determined with safety and certainty. As I never neglected a chance of preserving the specimens which came in my way, my collection grew in time to larger dimensions than convenient to keep in a private house. So, when I retired from active service, I offered it to the government of Madras, as I regarded the museum in that city as the fittest resting place for it. The great majority of the specimens having been found within the limits of the presidency and the closely adjoining territories of Hyderabad and of Mysore. This content is obtained from Madras Government Museum publication named The Food Collection of Indian Prehistoric and Proto-Historic Antiquities. Thank you for listening. Keep waiting for more such videos. Nandri.